Hi guys, welcome to At Home with Ros Emely. Happy Sunday. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a Sunday clean with me video so you guys can get motivated to clean on Sunday and start the week off with a clean slate, right? You may be wondering what in the world I have there. Maybe you remember, maybe not, but in a couple of videos back I mentioned that I do not have a dryer because Best Buy didn't, when we order it arrived broken, so I'm still waiting for my dryer. In the meantime, we have to do it old school, hang the clothes where we can so they can dry. So this is my patio, so I'm just gonna start with the patio. We're gonna move maybe to the backyard and then inside to my living room. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like cleaning videos, recipes, and organization videos, and let's get started with Sunday cleaning.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. One look and I breathe. One touch feels skin deep. A picture perfect, underserving. Everything will probably go.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie. Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless. What are you trying to find? I'm running with these emotions.
So my husband has his little setup with his computer because he needs to use it, connecting it, I think, to the modem or router that we have in the living room. And I'm like, nope, it's leaving today because it just not look good. And every time I walk past the living room, it just triggers my, I don't want to say anger, but it just triggers me. And I'm like, I'm removing this, I'm putting it in my office, and when he needs it, he can take it out. But it's not going to be there. It's not part of the decoration. You know what I mean? Like, men do not know what looks good and what doesn't. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just removing his setup and I'm putting it in my office. So when he needs it, he can just put it right back.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This
did you come from? I never planned to fall in love, but then again, no dice. Can I call you tonight? I'm dying to see your smile. I just wanna say I got you red-handed, and now you're holding on my heart. It's not a problem if it's ours and ours alone. I got you red-handed,